We have laid a robust foundation for BBO growth through significant infrastructural development, including expansive fiber network rollouts, Wi-Fi hotspots, and the establishment, as I said, of 1,450 digital hubs nationwide. These hubs not only facilitate connectivity, but also serve as centers for digital learning, equipping our youth with the skills necessary for the digital economy that awaits them. Further, our focus on green energy will account for 93% of our power supply, underscores our commitment to sustainable development. This ensures reliable power for BBO operations while minimizing environmental impact. In fact, today, we have purpose as Kenya to plant a minimum of 200 million trees in one day. When I'm done with this function, the next assignment that I have been assigned to plant 20,000 trees today. And you understand that I need some help. So anybody who can plant a tree on my behalf, please, it will go a long way in me attaining the threshold that I have been assigned. Regulatory reforms are also underway to foster a more investment-friendly environment, streamlining processes to facilitate growth in IT-enabled services and also remote work. Our commitment extends to data governance with robust policies and a dedicated data protection commissioner to ensure data security and also data privacy. To accelerate the growth of business processing, outsourcing, and IT-enabled services sector, we are implementing a strategic measure to ensure our competitive edge and align with global standards. Among the interventions we are making, especially in the legal reform, we are strengthening existing laws to create a conducive legal environment for ICT BPO industry. Our goal is to develop sector-specific legislation that align with international standards in the short term and medium term as we look at the potential in this space. We're also standardizing by developing and enforcing BPO standards that meet international best practice to ensure that BPO firms operating in Kenya adhere to the highest quality norms. And I'm very happy that in this room we have men and women from different parts of the world who want to see what Kenya can offer. I want to tell you that if you're looking for human capital that is professional, that is dedicated, that serves with integrity, look no further. You will find it in Kenya. And we pride ourselves that aside from the horticulture and tea and coffee and many other exports that we have as a country, the single most important asset and export that Kenya has is its human capital. And we continue to refine, we continue to skill, we continue to tool that human capital so that it keeps to the highest standard possible. We are also updating our fiscal and non-fiscal